Anchorage Beach Resort in Fiji is an intimate hillside boutique resort with its own palm-lined beach overlooking nearby mountains and islands. If you're looking for paradise, we may have just found it. Hear the gentle sound of waves lapping on the beach from the luxurious beachfront villas, complete with wooden decks and spas, while you take in the fresh scent of frangipani which envelops the resort. In the oceanfront spa rooms, enjoy a spa bath while viewing the sunset or early morning light by sliding open the mirrored doors to unveil a luxurious indoor spa. The resort is also the perfect place for a wedding or conference and can accommodate you and your guests with ease. You can relax and unwind all day at Anchorage or venture out to explore other islands with transfers direct from the resort. Anchorage Beach Resort features 2 swimming pools, a boutique store and a newly built rejuvenation spa. Anchorage Beach Resort has so many activities to keep you entertained from morning through till the evening, and today we're doing a cooking class and making my favourite, kokonda. I highly recommend a lesson showing you the different ways to wear your sarong and a visit from the local coconut tree climber for a refreshing coconut drink. Anchorage offers a selection of international favourites alongside some delicious authentic Fijian cuisine. You'll enjoy a meal here day or night. So if you're after a relaxing stay in a gorgeous tropical location, look no further than Anchorage Beach Resort right here in Fiji. Cheers.